What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you a few things I got online, a few things I picked up at Harbor Freight, and an amazing deal. Stay tuned. So as you can see, there's a few things here. We got a big old long package in the back. We have a folding side tray table for a tool cart. We have a 5-drawer industrial rolling cart from Harbor Freight, as well as a spray can holder, and then also another type of holder. Those are both magnetic. Let's get into it. So let's start off by opening up this US General folding side tray for tools. Now I picked this up just because it is really going to help me when it comes to my work. Let me put my keys down, it's making a little bit of noise. At my dealership, you know, it's good just to have extra space when you're using a cart such as this one. So I figured this was to be a good pickup. I got it for I believe $27 with a 20% off coupon. You got it for cheaper, but I didn't think about it at the time. So I ended up spending like 29 bucks on it, but I think you can end up getting it for like 24 bucks if you use your 20% off coupon. So let's get to opening this real quick. Got my trusty old skinning knife. I don't go hunting, so I don't use it for that. But yeah. Okay, here we go. Now that's all it is. It's one piece. You don't have to assemble really much unless it comes to actually installing it. Because when you install it, you're going to obviously need to assemble it on your toolbox by, where is that? Where am I? Here we go. By obviously connecting these to your box. So let's remove this real quick. There we go. But the second thing I picked up was this right here. This is a holder, it's a magnet, it's gonna go on your toolbox. As you can see, there's a magnet all behind there. Works great just for basically any cans. Just like that. And then it's also got holes here that go all the way through. So if you need to fit screwdrivers, they go straight through. And they don't really move back and forth, which is nice. The next item I'll be showing you only has one hole up top, so the screwdriver can move back and forth. But with something like this, like even this really long screwdriver, goes right in, and it doesn't move that much. This is the biggest hole, so it's going to move. But if I put it towards a smaller hole like this one, basically no movement, which is really nice. This is a really cool holder. I think I picked it up for like, what I think, $6 or $7. You can't really beat that at all. And there's very big magnets on it, so it's going to be able to hold a good amount of weight. It is basically, again, from Harbor Freight. It's a side tray. This one comes with less magnets, but it's basically just a holder you can put. I usually put my phone down right there, so when I'm working I can just click on my phone if I need to check anything out real quick. It also has these right here for screwdrivers or maybe small pry bars, but basically it's going to be used for screwdrivers. And like I was talking about before, when it comes to having the ones on top and bottom, when it's just this, do you see that? It kind of just goes everywhere. It would be nice if maybe they just included one right there, just the second bottom lip right there, just so it doesn't move around as much. Because if you just had a second lip, the thing would barely move. But since there's only one, it just kind of goes back and forth. So that's the one negative thing I've seen about this. But other than that, it holds things really well. The magnets, not as many, but it still is very strong. Right here. Now, I picked this stuff up on Amazon. As you can see, Amazon Prime right there. I'm going to make sure I don't show you guys my address. Okay, it's on that side. Now this, where's my skinning knife? Is a very light, very large box. Can anyone guess what it is? No? Yes? Maybe so? I don't know. Right here. Man, they've got a big box for all this. Right here. Now this is a whole bunch of carbon fiber vinyl. Yep. Let me lift you guys back. Lift you up. Boom. Right there. So, whole bunch of, how can I fit you in there? There we go. Carbon fiber vinyl. It's by Vivid, which is a pretty good company. It's a 3 foot by 5 foot roll of carbon fiber vinyl. Now what I'm going to be using this for is actually on my chest. There's another video out there where some guy installed carbon fiber vinyl on his toolbox. Now there's going to be a lot of comments saying, why would you do this? It's stupid, it's dumb. What are you doing adding horsepower to your tool cart? Yeah, I know, I get it. But guess what? A lot of people that own toolboxes, they put stickers on their boxes, they do all that crap. So don't even start with me. But yeah, I'm putting this carbon fiber on the toolbox to make it look a little bit better, to stand out a little bit. And because on lots of toolboxes, you're going to scratch up your paint a lot and you're going to damage it. I know a lot of people do that with their more expensive snap-on boxes towards the handles or the tops. All that paint just comes right off. And a way to prevent that is actually to apply some vinyl. Now when you apply the vinyl, it's kind of protecting your paint, just like if you apply vinyl to a car, or like a wrap to your vehicle. Not only is it changing the look of it, but also it's protecting the paint underneath. So that's one of the reasons why I got this, is to protect the paint underneath, as well as to make it stand out a little bit. I know, there's no reason to, but I want to do it. So that's going to be a video coming up where actually I'm going to be wrapping my toolbox. Not all of it, just some parts. But yeah. Alright guys, for the main course here, alright? The number one reason you clicked on this video. I know it's towards the end. I'm sorry. But I got a Harbor Freight 5-drawer rolling tool cart that retails for $200. You can get it on sale for, I think, $159, or at the lowest $150 during their parking lot sales for $40. Okay? $40 for a brand new cart, okay? Now, yep, there's the engine in the background. How I did that, okay? So here's a little tip for you guys when it comes to Harbor Freight and toolboxes and stuff like that. What you can do is call a few Harbor Freights around you and say, hi, I wanted to know if you have any defective, returned, or damaged toolboxes currently in the back that you have for sale at a reduced price. What I did was I showed up to the Harbor Freight, and I didn't know about this originally, but I showed up to the Harbor Freight and I was trying to see if I can get the $200 toolbox for $150 a week before the parking lot sale. They told me I couldn't do that. But the guy was like, hey, we have a toolbox in the back if you'd like to look at it. A guy returned it, he said there was a small dent on it and he didn't want it. I went to the back of Harbor Freight with the employee. We removed the box, everything was still in its packaging. This stuff is still in its packaging when I remove this. I'm going to do a unboxing and a installation video, or not installation, but a put together video coming out next. But basically I removed all of this, and yeah, everything's still in its package. Brand new. There's no scratches, there's no dents, there's nothing. And I got this toolbox for $40. So please guys, if you're looking for a toolbox from Harbor Freight, just give them a call and say hi. I'd like to know if you guys have any defective, damaged, or returned toolboxes for sale at a discounted price, because that could really help you guys out. I'm going to take the box off real quick so I can show you guys it, and then the next video I'll be installing it, and then maybe I'll be doing the carbon fiber wrap in that video. That may be a different one, I'm not too sure. Yeah, let's open this thing up so I can give you guys a quick preview of the box. So yeah guys, in my next video I will be uploading. It's going to be in putting together this toolbox, maybe throwing on some carbon fiber wrap, and then possibly another video on the engine right here. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share. I hope you enjoyed this little show and tell of what I got. Have a great day guys. If you'd like me to show you more videos of when I purchase tools and kind of unbox or open them, or just show you what I got, comment down in the section below. I can always do that because I'm always getting tools. Alright, thanks guys.